Blow molding machine blow pin installation guide. Apply lubricating oil on the surface of blow pin rod to reduce friction between the screw and nut. Insert blow pin rod into the nut and tighten it. Tighten the nut on the blow pin rod. Blow pin rod installation is complete. Tighten the nut on the blow pin rod. Cut off the cable ties on the pipes and insert the air hose and water hose above blow pin rod. Wrap waterproof tape around blow pin head to prevent water leakage. Apply lubricating oil on the blow pin head and blow pin rod. Screw the blow pin head into the blow pin rod. Use another wrench to secure the blow pin rod and use one wrench to tighten the pin head. Blow pin head installation is complete. Secure the bottle stripper onto the blow pin head. Fasten the screws and the bottle stripper installation is complete. After the pan installation is complete, it is necessary to open the water pipe to test for any water leakage. The blow pin installation is complete.